Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to apply for American Express card. So if you wish to apply for the American Express or Amex card, you have to follow these steps. First thing, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, open up a browser. And then on the web address bar, you need to go ahead and type in American Express card. So when you type in, it's going to take you to the americanexpress.com, and here this is the official one. So here you could go ahead and select all card located in the top, and then you could go ahead and select the sort of card that you wish to go ahead and apply for. So I'm going to go with platinum card, so I'm just going to select the one or select the arrow icon right in the corner, and when you do that, it's going to show you the list of information regarding the following card. So you could go through it and you could read the following features and some sort of information available, and if you wish to apply for it, click the apply now button. When you press on apply now button, it's going to go ahead and ask you to enter in your personal details, contact details, your information, and all sort of card information, all sort of details. You need to go ahead and enter in the information accordingly. Then when you've done that, you'll have successfully applied for it. It's going to take a couple of days for you to receive the physical card, so you can just wait patiently until you get it through the mail. So that's how you can apply for an American Express card. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.